Good day, wonderful people, and welcome to Tek-View. This is a brand new channel aimed at feeding you with relevant tech content, particularly in the areas of programming, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I'm Ijayata. I'm eager to share my knowledge and expertise with you. Look, who am I? Well, I'm currently a senior research assistant at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. I'm a tech enthusiast, specializing in data science and machine learning. I'm also a songwriter and a music producer, and I have plans of being a boxer. Change of plans. But I'm so happy to have you join my new family. Once again, welcome to Tek-View. So please subscribe to this channel and then click on the bell icon to get notified each time I release a new video. Like this video and subsequent ones. Remember that your feedback is important in helping us tailor our content to your tech needs. So feel free to leave us a comment or your suggestions. Before you leave, remember to tell us where you're watching this video from. If you're a student, tell us the name of your school or your university. Once again, remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I release new videos. Let's view the world in a technological way. Be safe out there and just believe. See you.